time for a little entertainment.
I'm on my way to Sarasota, Florida. Freedom Factory. Cleetus McFarland. What's up, guys? Check it out. Official media pass for the Freedom Factory this weekend. I didn't get to film a lot of stuff on the GoPro because I've been so busy doing stories on our Instagram page. This is the Burnout contest. I'm over here right next to the Boxo Jumbotron scoreboard. This is a new trailer. It's mobile. It's super cool. This is going to be a fun event, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Guys, how's that for a show start, huh? Pretty sweet.
Over the land of the free and the home of the brave. Professional out here to help us make this show a little bit better. And where are you from, Karen?
So I'm from Brisbane, Australia, and I'm a part of a bunch of guys who shipped all their burnout cars over here to rip it with you guys.
Oh, you heard a clunk on the 3 to 4 shift. Let's hear it for Carl. We want to see him back out here. Come on.
guys, how's that so far, huh? Pretty sweet? Yeah! What's up, guys? I'm out here at Freedom Factory today with Boxo USA. I'm out here with Robert Wilson.
Well, Boxo, you know, it's an enthusiast first brand, and we're out here at Cleetus McFarland's Freedom Factory for this event, and no better place to do it than right here, right? Talking about the enthusiasts.
The guys that are behind it are enthusiasts. It's more than just tools, the lifestyle.
We supply tools into the professional field or to just the first time person that's putting a tool in their hand. We just got done with the Baja 1000. Just imagine if you were the mechanic digging through your box, looking for that 8 mil, and it took you 1:20 and your guy lost by 2. You know, so for us, you know, open that drawer, get to that 8 or 10, put it on your deal, get that guy and get him back on the road.
The application goes from just a tool roll all the way up to a 72-inch.
Yeah, or even our OSM where you can build out the whole shop.
This company is for car guys, by car guys.
I couldn't think of a better place to be. These guys are the legit guys.
Let's go have some more fun and watch some drifting.
Let's do it.
Oh, guys, I don't know if I could convey the feeling of being here, how it really is, but man, if you guys have a chance to get out to the Freedom Factory in Bradenton, Florida, do it. Because of this media pass that I have, this vest that I have on, thank you guys at Boxo for getting this thing hooked up for me. I really do appreciate it. I am actually in the pits. There's burnout stuff going on way over there. I know you guys can hear it. I'm gonna go walk around.
It's a BMW, but it is LS swapped. It is twin turbos. Look at this beasto. Yeah? Huh? Pretty rad, man. This is Hidden Motorsports. 4-seat cage. It's like a GMC Jimmy right here. Look at the exhaust pipe. So cool, man. Comes right out. Boom, boom, boom. Lake pipes. Lake pipes. This thing, man, just burned it to the ground pretty much out there. Very cool. Oh, dude, look at this thing right here. This thing is so rad. Love this thing. Dude, check it out. Oh my gosh, man. That is so cool, you guys. That is so cool.
Door Slammers Garage.
I like it, man. I like it a lot. This thing, big huge supercharger. Oh my gosh, man. Yeah, buddy. Look at this. Look at this beast right here. I think these guys are from Australia. This is a right-hand drive. I think it's a Holden wagon. Oh man, this is so rad. I love it. Yep, right-hand drive. That's right, man. That is so cool. Yeah, that's right. This guy's with them as well. Toyota truck. It's like a twin turbo V8 in here, though. Right-hand drive. Yeah, buddy. Look at that. Nope. Supercharged. Boom. Boom. Right there. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Look at this guy right here. Boom. Done. Pizza Planet.
I'm just cruising around in the pits, looking at all the carnage. Look at this thing right here.
Look at this. Boom. Look at the marks coming in. And bam. What it looks like after. That's the price you pay for having a good time sometimes, you know, but that's all right. That's all right.
Because this is what these guys like. And this is what we like at Maniacs Garage too.
busted it all up. Ooh. I don't even know what this thing started as. It kind of looks like a, I don't know, Tahoe maybe? But it's superchargers everywhere.
Jim, I told you, dude. Can't just have just a V8. You gotta have it at least supercharged, and it's gotta put out a lot of power, because then you can do crazy things like this. Look at this truck, man. It's so sweet.
Is this a Gremlin? I think it's a Gremlin, you guys.
I always mistaken them for the Pacer, but I think this is the Gremlin.
Those are real. Those are not fake, guys. Look at this turbo sticking through this Cadillac hood. Right in the middle. Bam. Oh, this is diesel, guys.
I'm kind of speechless right now, guys. I'm kind of speechless right now.
Check out that axle setup on this thing, man. That's some fun right there. Oh yeah, dude. And check this thing out. This is Liam's rig right here. This thing is a twin engine, twin Hayabusa,
Suzuki Hayabusas. I don't know, they're like 1300 cc, something like that. The two of them, man. Two of them, and they're linked
with the custom setup right here. Looks like it's some sort of a gear drive, rear wheel drive, and this thing just pulls massive wheelies. It is so fun to watch. It is incredible to watch this thing. It is such a good job with this thing. Liam Doran, so cool, man. Look at this setup.
Here it is. Sun's going down. Saturday afternoon, evening. Cleetus and his whole crew. They've been so cool this whole weekend. And I got to meet some other guys. Derek from Maniacs Garage. Super cool dude. We had such a fun time. And just, you know, the birdies, those guys are always cool. Just real people, you know? These guys are real dudes, down to earth, Americana, God-loving, family-friendly. And that's what we're about at Maniacs Garage. So guys, I'm gonna wrap it up with this thing because I'm just having too much fun out here. I'm gonna go out, watch some stuff. I'm gonna take this vest off. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys check out our other videos. Guys, it's just three of us. It's Ryan, Jim, and me. Or is it me, Jim, and Ryan? I don't know. Anyway, no, we're just having fun, the three of us, Maniacs Garage. See you guys in another video.
For the most part. That's a handy brother right there.
Got Robert Wilson behind the scenes right here.
Buddy.
Dude, what are you doing?
For you.
What are you doing back here, man?
Wagon.
You're not allowed. You have no vest on. You gotta have a vest on like this.
Man, big media guy right there. Big media guy.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you guys like to support our channel, go to our website at maniacsgarage.com. Check out the merch we have on there. Hats, t-shirts, decals, and more.